between people and not. And it's not about the percentage. It's really more at the practical level where you focus it. This is a very powerful resource for humans if we want to be successful. You get that? And the good news is we all have brains. Yes or yes?
Yes.
But it will all depend on where you are directing the resources of your brain. But pasabot, maski pag grabe kay ka-bright, pero kung gusto ka mo dato, pero at the same time, ang imong ki-bright, wala imong gigamit sa pagdato, di ka mo madato. Do you get that?
Yes.
Are we here?
Yes.
So there are a lot of people are actually very good, but yet, success at the end of the day is really a matter of where you focus on. Hello?
Yes.
Because you will learn later on that where focus goes, energy flows. Right? Kung asa ka focus, nandito po ang imong energy, nandito po ang imong resources mo adto tanan. Do you get that? So importante kayo na siya sa tanan. Alright, so the question I had in mind is, why do some individuals experience success more than other people? Have you thought about that? And that led me to my very first study, but this is not my study, it was a study under a senior scientist. So I worked for a senior scientist because that's how we do it in the US. And what we figured out was this. So our study basically that we did was the study for world-class performers. So katong nasa Fortune 500 na mga executives, mga Olympic athletes, na katong mga gold medalists, and also for musicians. And there are several things that we figured out. There is, hindi na siya updated, no? But na-addition na unom na nakabuok ng mga brain markers. But basically, number one that we found out is that coherent kayo ang ilahang brain. In other words, and this is very important in terms of people having a sense of purpose, because when your purpose is clear, more or less, ang resources mong brain kaya walang gatag of war. You get that? And a lot of people, whether in business, in sports, and music, they have a very strong sense of purpose in life. Get that? That is why nagkaroon sila o parang coherent kayo ang mga brain parts whenever they're working. I tell you what, kinsa diri gusto mo yung successful? Raise your hand. Kinsa diri mo kita of million-million, pag kita asong kamot. Okay, ganaan ba ito mag-million-million ng kita?
Yes.
But do you know, the reason most of you are not able to move forward is this. Would you like to listen?
Yes.
Alright, the reason most of you are not able to move forward, because, number one, you're aiming for big money. Yes? But then, mo break ka, gusto ka mag-accelerate, wala kang drive, gusto ka mag-accelerate, pero your other foot is on the brake because somehow ang imong values are not actually aligning with your goals. Hello? You have a goal to be rich, right? But then what mo na process and feeling yung mong values are not actually aligning with your goals. At the end of the day, a lot of people would choose their values over their goals. Yes or yes? So na kay goal, nag-drive ka karon, ka-accelerate imong pikas tiil para makuha ni mong goal, pero ang pikas mo di mo matil, magsige mo break, kay feeling ni mo in conflict sa imong values. And that's the reason why a lot of you are not moving forward that fast.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct.
You're conflicted. O, distingin daw og drive, na naa ka sa accelerator, o niya, skip mo kag-brake, mabot ka dili. Hindi ko ka mabot, kaya na naman. Bago pa ka mabot sa mong destination, guba na yung sakyanan. Muna kadaganan sa tuwa, kadaganan mga tao, guba, di kaabot, burned out before they even get to their destination.
Correct.
Hello? Kaya makasimot ba yung kong mga taong na burnout? Mag-isingisi lang pero na burnout na dito, di magsabaw upline. Hello? But sometimes it's only just perspective. Are we here? But what if you're able to discover that exactly what you are dreaming for and aiming for, maupod na ang imong makeup, and actually, dili they conflicted ang imong values. I'll give you an example. Is that okay? Somebody who attended similar seminar, alright? Siya yun, tinatagin ko sa iya, nga dili yun siya kayo marang kada sa iyang business, alright? And then, pero gusto kayo siya madako. And then, very intellectual, high potential na babae. Pero conflicted din siya, kaya gusto siya madato, and pag madato siya, that means before siya nga madato, kailangan man siya mubalat ng trabaho. Yes or yes?
Yes.
And that means a lot of time dedicated to becoming successful. Yes? Yes. Pero at the same time, kailangan siya nagkakain time para sa iyang anak, a special child man ang iyang anak. Na may autism ang iyang anak. Do you get this? So now, the lady is confronted with that conflict. Yes or yes? And muhataw siya, it will take a lot of time. So ang iya, I will have to really choose, and I know a lot of people are like this, I will have to choose whether I would become an entrepreneurial leader or I would become a mother to my child. and is torn in between, and that is why he's not able to move forward. There is no coherence in terms of the parts of her brain working together because there is no common goal eventually or common ending na gusto niya may tabo. Yes or yes?
Yes.
And then they went through the process. We will go through the same process later on. You can refine it later on to figure out what her goal was. What her purpose was. And she figured out what her purpose. And she said, wow, that she didn't have to choose being a mother and also an entrepreneurial leader. Kaya nga naman, pwede na siyang a mother and entrepreneurial leader at the same time. Pero nandun niya na-discover na ang iyahan ay market na nagpaabot sa iyaha o ang gusto niya buhaton mo niya is also to support and empower mothers who are also having challenges with their children with special needs. And now she realized, wow, my situation is actually a gift. And there are also thousands of other parents with the same situation. And if I am able to make this work, then I can also teach others to make it work for their own lives. Now, she has a business, she has a non-profit organization helping mothers with children that have special challenges. And she's creating success in that area. Are we here? She didn't have to choose. Now it's very coherent. Are we getting that? So it's really a matter of knowing what your purpose is in life. That is why they said, for without vision, people perish. Because we don't have a long-term vision. You know that the greatest tragedy on earth is not dying? So if the greatest tragedy on earth is not dying, then what is the greatest tragedy on earth?
Not living.
It is living without a purpose. It's not dying. Mas lisod kayo ang kinabuhi na wala kay purpose compared to dying. Hello?
Yes.
A lot of people today are really trying to prevent death. That is why they're not living their lives to the fullest. Kaya nagsigir dito andam na ma-prevent na to ang, early death. But you're not supposed to focus on that. Focus instead on learning how to live. And how do you live a full life? Figure out your purpose in life. That is why our program today is entitled Living on Purpose. Because purpose is wonderful. Purpose is actually what will give you a sense of direction na dili kag-accelerate, di po kag-break at the same time. And then you can find out strategies to make it work later on. Are we here? Kinsay gusto na? Raise your hand. Kinsay naging ko din ng pagkana, naabi ko'y makitaan, na connected ko na akong struggle with my purpose, kung kinsay gusto na kung may tabo sa akong kinabuhi after all of these, then eventually, diretso-diretso yung case. Bisaya pa, sutoy-sutoy yun eh. Kinsay makaingon na sa kagalingon. Na maunay gusto ni mo pag-uman ani. Raise your hand right now. Do you want that? Yes. Alright, so you can have that right now. But, let me tell you, it's not about me. I can only facilitate, but at the end of the day, you help yourself. You know what the problem with most people? Is because they're waiting for somebody else to help them. Whether there are a lot of people, including your uplines, helping you, your uplines will be powerless in helping you unless you help yourself. Because you're the only one who understands your situation more than anybody else. Are we here?
Yes.
At the end of the day, it's not me, it's not Ma'am Beth. Pwede ba nato palakpakan si Ma'am Beth? But at the end of the day, it's not me, it's not her, it's you. Taking charge. Because if you won't take charge, nobody else will. Ayaw iasa sa ubang tao ang pagbago sa imong kinabuhi. Even in your business here. Hello?
Yes.
Own it 100%. Because only when you start owning it that you get it.
Yes.
Nanghinay man. Mabutan at ang ano mga karang up. Sila na may karang up. Siguro sila yung una. Actually, hindi ko na tinood sa network marketing ang muna kong kita. Mga yung una. Kaya naman po yung una, gawa po nito akong kita. But pasabot, advantage ka mo kay una kung kugihan ka, kung na kay ownership. Pero nag-una bitaw ka, pero wag kay ownership, wag kay sense of responsibility, leadership, di po ka kugihan. Maski pag ikaw una tanan, wag yung may tamuli mo. Kaya nung doon ko sa una nakapil kong network marketing, tapos naana siya sa 60s na siya, nung dirita, nung, kaya ako 001, ikaw 002. Tapos, remember ko ato. So, wala ko ni-appeal sa sa sunod na po, ipangita na po ko niya, ingon na po siya, Dong, na ako nakita, bago kuya ko yung produkto, 001 ko, ikaw ang 002. Ano ko, ti, pila na ganin mo edad, ti, 63 years old, imo ko, ti, kung sa pila pa ka, ikaw yung una ang imong pangitaon. Hapit na murot imong panahon. Sige na pangitaw, ikaw una, human na po. Kung sugdanin mo, humanon. Buhungog ko sa inyong tanan, okay lang? Yes. Isugda naman ninyo mo, humana. Ayaw ko sunod ng trabaho, mawagi human. Ano sila, sugod pa lang gani. Wapa ko nagsugod, intro rani. Makati gamay. Kung sa paya ako nakita, kasi mo nung out, sakit na na kayo, abi pa na akong encourage mo diri. Badlungon, madiay, bata ka mo, katiguan ako, ikaw mabadlong nako. Oh well, nana sa imuha. You get that? I really respect everyone here, and I see a lot of people here na mas maguwang pa nako, and I respect you guys. Understand that I'm coming from a place of respect, but also I'm coming from a place of purpose, because my purpose in life is actually to help people optimize.
Yes.
You get that?
Yes.
I'm not here to inspire you. There are a lot of people motivating and inspiring you. I'm here so that you hear my message and you realize there's so much more. Get that?
Yes.
And it doesn't matter what your age is. There's so much more. Hello?
Yes.
So sa pa mo na-discover na alpha waves. What was about these are people that are highly successful are actually people na nga di ka panic when the going gets tough. Pwede sila magpanic, but they can choose to actually operate. Alpha waves is related to a sense of relaxation, relaxed, but very alert at the same time. Grabe no? Alert kayo, kita ng details, pero grabe ka relax. Di ka kataranta. Ingana mga successful ng mga tao. Kung sa pa'y katulo, economically, hindi mahutan ng energy ang ilang brain. Because they also prime their bodies para ma-multiply nila ang ilang energy, because the brain requires a lot of energy. In fact, ang akong bagong study is all about it. How you can multiply your energy so that you empower higher levels of performance in terms of your brain function, in terms of your cognition. Get that? Are we here?
Yes.
O karon, nataka mo example. You know, some people think na karang brain, kinari na mga brain training and all. Sa tinuod lang, kadagaran mga brain training, 90% of them, wala ka work. Hello? Yeah. Feeling lang nila nag-work before, pero pag tanaw mo sa laboratory and we started testing them, di gina siya to-work. Stress-story ang itong tanan. Kaya wako ba yung neuroimaging technologies before? Di pa na mo makita whether it's really working for the brain or not. Yes or yes? Yes. Karon gagawa sa technology, we're testing all of that. Apparently, it doesn't work. Hello? Yes. And there are some techniques that they say, mga neuro, whatever, a lot of these techniques actually don't work as well. Hello? But you know what works? Gusto ba di mo musaka ang performance ng brain?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Gusto ba di mo nga, ang in terms of cognitive health, the function of your brain in terms of thinking, kaya dili mo decline? Kaya nabi at edad mo, hinahinay na nagka-decline. Tama ba? Like Alzheimer's disease, vascular dementia, and so on and so forth. Do you get that? But you know what we found out that's very strong in terms of literature, scientific literature, is that kanina kita atong metabolism. Metabolism, energy metabolism na to connected kayo sa health and performance in the brain. And you know, in our studies, pagtanaw na mo atong mga ingani, na gusto na mo improve, nagay mga grabe kay kalisod i-improve no matter what training we do with them. But ang common, pagtanaw na mo sa ilang mga biometrics, ang pinaka-common is that a lot of these people have metabolic syndrome. Are you familiar with metabolic syndrome? Kung pasabot taas ilang high blood pressure, taas na high blood pressure.
High cholesterol.
Number 1. Alright? 3 out of 5 on these. I'm not saying 100% ingana, but it's an indicator if you have 3 out of 5. High blood pressure, taas. Okay? Triglyceride, taas. Hala. Abdominal obesity, kung pasabot, walang naisalbabida, medyo taas, gihapon. Sugar level, medyo taas, gihapon. Overall cholesterol, medyo taas, gihapon. You get that? Kung ang answer ani 3 out of 5, medyo taas ka, more or less, naanay compromised gamay nga metabolism. Get that? And the brain requires a lot of energy. It's a very small part of our body, but it requires 25 to 30% of the entire body's energy. Muna importante kayo ang health. Foundation yun ang health para diri. So if you want to improve this, do something good for your body. Hello? And if you also want to improve your body, do something good for your brain. Are we here? Now, kanitanan, including others that we found out, as we want. All of these are not something you're born with. It's something that we can all develop. Now, regardless of your background, let me tell you the good news, you can develop and you can be a high performer today. Tingnan mo katapat, give them a high five para medyo bata atong feel. Give them a high five and say, I am a high performer. Okay. So, introduction pa lang gusto kong galing mo ako nagsunod ha. Ano yun lang. So the other thing that I do is I'm also a C-suite coach, and a C-suite chief, executive, blah, 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 and all, particularly for Fortune 500 companies under the Marshall Goldsmith Group. And I'm so proud to say that there are 12,000 Marshall Goldsmith executive coaches around the world, but I'm part of the top 60 Marshall Goldsmith coaches and the only Filipino in the top 60. And in fact, my work with executives have been featured in a book and stories that Marshall Goldsmith has been coming up with. Alright? So, is that exciting? Excited kay ko ana sa tanan, and that is why I still continue to be there. Also, what I found out, gusto na ninyo ma-find out kung unsay common sa mga successful na Fortune 500 or executives? I-applicable gyapon sa to. Gusto na makabalo? Yes! Sa una, moingon na sila, sorry ha, I might be using some terms na basig moingon mo na question lagi ako ang mga natunan. Pero naman ko diri to provoke your thinking. Is that okay? Yes! Pwede ninyo og react mo, ay lang sa kong react, unya huna-huna lang sa, but I like provoking other people's thinking. Sa una, moingon naman ang mga tao nga, back to basics lang. Tama ba? Okay kayo ng back to basics. Are we here? We have to keep that. But back to basics is not enough. Because if you want to build an empire, then you don't go back to basics lang. You need a real blueprint to build that building. To build skyscraper. Tama? Dili enough na martilyo lang o glansang ang imong gunitan. Kinahanglan mo upgrade yun ka. Mo nang importante kay nga mag-training yun ka kanunay. Are we here? Imagine good name mo ha, kani Marshall Goldsmith, Fortune 500 companies. I know mga dato kaya na sila, they're the biggest companies in the world. But do you know how much they spend for every executive, na executive coach like me? They spend millions of dollars, I tell you. As in, unya nga mong meeting kay 12 meetings lang every year. 2 hours to 4 hours per meeting. Kung ga-travel ko nga ito, moabot mo yung 4 hours. Pag dili ka travel online, only 2 hours. Can you imagine? Every month, nga na lang. But they pay us really millions of dollars for that. Are we here? Kung una ka, ganun nga naman kamahal ang ilang bayan. Because they know that when you are a leader, tanan mo ka leader, pag na kay downline leader na ka, pag leader ka, importante magsige ka upgrade. Kaya kung dili ka upgrade, sangko tanan ang imong organization, nga na good mo buto. Hello? Kinsa diri nang di ka maglisod ka crank up, raise your hand. Lisod crank up, so kaya tapos dahilan? Okay lang? Pamutan na ako, what? Aka nang desperate yun, say what? Ang dahilan kay, are you ready? Yes! Ikaw. Ikaw ang dahilan. Kahit kung dili ka mo upgrade, di ko mo upgrade mong resulta. Una kay tapulan kay ka mo atin ng training. Kung di ka bayaran sa mga friend, hindi ka mabot. I tell you how to spot high performers. Is that okay? Yes. Hello? Hi. Kani na proven ni siya in management. How do you spot high potential performers in the company or even among entrepreneurs? Would you like to know? Yes. Let me tell you. Is that okay? Yes. They spend for their own growth. Nakuha kay, wow, grabe kayo, sila may nagbayad. Ano naman bayad? Pero ako ba yun? Pero pwede pa nakabago. Bato-bato sa langit, ang tamaan, huwag magalit, magbago ka na lang. Okay lang ba? Tama, sunod, tingnan mo, Mambet, kalusta ang sunod? Right? Because there's no price to growing.
Yes.
Here, at kag convention, hala nakaw convention og imo kung open na to everybody, lupari. Do you get that? Go everywhere, grow yourself because now you understand na ang growth ng organization depends on you. Kung sa ingon ni John Maxwell, everything rises and falls on leadership. Kung ikaw may leader sa tanang organization, gikan sa imo paubos. Kung yung ingon ba na ka, excuse na, hindi mo kung kung leader mo sa taas. Hello? Ayaw. Kaya ng leader ni mo sa taas, kaya ni mo i-control or dili? Di ba di mo makaya i-control? Anong gusto man ni mo makontrol yung behavior? Mo nang stress ka because you're focused on things you cannot control.
Correct.
What is stress? When you are focused on things you cannot control. Kunya kay gusto nimo kontrol ang imong leader. Pero sa mga bago yan, mag-rank up na mi. Kung stress kay ka, gusto ka dili ma-stress? Go back to what you can control in that situation. What can you control?
Yourself.
Yourself! You cannot even control your wife.
Correct.
Istingin.
Correct. Correct.
Naku kay gusto. You cannot control your husband. Kaya mo ba may mga, sige lang, kayo mo-appeal na ganyan kong bana diri, mo-appeal na ganyan kong asawa diri, mo-banat na yun me. Amo agi sa mong dagang kayong away bago ka kabanat. Kunya, what if 5 years pa bago mo banat, pero ang imong utang ganaghan?
Yeah. Correct.
Allah. Niya may mong wala ka ng negosyohan ni, ari matutinood din mo sa mga apply. Ang tinood, huwag ka ng lihok, huwag ka nag-grow. Sorry ha, okay lang ba?
Yes.
Kaya nga na lagi kong istorya. Kaya nga, ikipabisaya mo ko ninyo. Kaya kung in-English ko, huwag ka English ang mga utang. Right? Kung in-English ko, hindi ko nga ni atong tono. Hindi nga ni mo yun ang bisaya, bustak yun kayo, di ba? In English, nga niyo, kung tinapulan nila, you know, you're being lazy. Pero bisa, tapulanan ni mo, uy! Bangon liha! Tama? Oh, kanya kikipabisaya man po ninyo. By the way, ayaw ninyo i-post ang kuhan, ha? Exclusive ba daw ni? Also, you can take, I don't know if you can take photos, but don't put it on social media. Kaya
Correct.
hindi ni official Marshall Goldsmith nga event. You get that? Baon ko sa Marshall Goldsmith. May charge na mo Marshall Goldsmith. Pero di pa tao ma-charge ka, amiguan mo yung bet. Pero hindi illegal akong dinabuhat. Okay? Pero special favor lang yun with Mambet. Palampakan natin sa Mambet. Anas na kung kami kay Mambet, wali ko diri. Kabalo na siya pilay presyo sa akong 2 hours na meeting. Hindi ko mangambog sa inyo ha. No? Hindi ko kumingon na hawd ko. Nailan na siguro sila, nga ako ilang ibayad. Magdano nila ako, yawan nila, Harvard mo nila, parang sige na ko na lang natin ibayan. But so anyway, I have a lot of stories, successful stories behind my back. But this is one thing. Kung sa unang panahon ng mga tao pwede na mag-successful anytime, basic ayo and all, karon di na yun because things are changing very fast.
Correct.
Adaptability is the name of the game.
Correct.
Kita ka ng mga tao na successful kaysa sugod, and then after a few months, hindi na dahil ma-successful?
Yes.
Nga naman, di ko adapt sa change. Kunya, ang rate of change karon. Nga dagan mga businesses in the Philippines that are failing today. Right? Kapansin mo, dagan nag-fail during the pandemic, right?
Yes.
Pero mas dagan ang ni-fail after the pandemic. Ask me why. Because when the world reopened during the pandemic, it has already changed. New technologies, new policies have been implemented already. The business landscape has changed significantly. Pero ang tao, ang Pinoy, wag ka change. Kaya we don't care, kamoy mo na parang magkatayin ng mga Pinoy, Pinoy, kaya na ito ni. Maski yung sabay itong agyan kayo, tinuod na. Pero kinahanglan yapon na mag-improve yun ka. You really have to upgrade yourself. Do you get that? Yes. You have to be adaptable. You know, we've seen that. Marshall Goldsmith, they focus with Fortune 100 and Fortune 500. Kaya sa Fortune 500 companies, dati appeal sila sa top 100. Unya, after a year, matingaka, wala na sila diha. Unya, anipuli lang sila kay bago nga company, pero ning saka, diretsyo nga doon sa about $1 billion na tayo ng iyang value. Wano man na? Because they did not adapt. Nokia did not adapt. Although Nokia now is beginning to adapt, but no longer in its main na business.
Yeah.
Right? Now they're treading a different business. Because they said, nga at that time, ingon sila, sus, kahibangan, no? Nga yung una-una ng mga smartphone, it cannot be done. People would want to stick with simply calling, texting, communicating. Nobody wants to bring a computer around. Right? But you've underestimated the ability of people to adapt to new technologies. People do adapt. And that's already proven. Hello? Kung nakalaganan sa ato, diri mo, okay ra, wala na, di na naman igo ang akong unya, tanawan ninyo. Kaya namin pakita sa inyo mga statistics. Okay ra? No, because of the emergence of AI today. So, we have to be willing to adapt. One advice, if you want to adapt, it's a gusto maka-adapt, raise your hand. It's a gusto mag-develop of adaptability as a competitive advantage. Alright? I have a client here in the Philippines. They're when I joined them, they were not yet the biggest chain of hotels in the Philippines. Today, they are already the biggest chains of hotels in the Philippines. And there's one particular thing that all of their executives and general managers are practicing so that they would be adaptable. Alright? Duk-duk kayo na ko sila. Ask me what it is. It's called intellectual humility. Okay, sometimes nagkana kayo naibawan, nagkana kayo experience, walang feeling na ito kita pinakahawd. But if you want to be adaptive, you need to develop intellectual humility. Especially if you're a leader. Ask me why. Why? Ano ko ang hina? Ask me why.
Why?
Because as a leader, we don't have all the answers.
Correct.
Yes or yes? Yes. That is why today, one of the greatest strategies that we teach leaders, very simple. We just tell them, do not be afraid to ask. Ask for help. Do not be afraid to ask. Ay, napag-pretend na kaya ni mo tanan. Ask. Is that okay? Yes. Pero wala bitaw kay intellectual humility, makuwagin kay kamangutana sa ubang tao. Tama? Napansin ako na sa mga tao nga di kayo nga naka-educated, hadlok kayo sila pangutana. Pero katong highly educated people, magsigino pangutana. Napansin ninyo? Yes. Tanawa lang ninyong mga helpers. For example, di na ako na dinalong taon ha. Tanawa ninyong helpers, especially those nga dili kayo educated. Maski nagkamali-mali na, di kayo pangutana. Yes or yes? Yes. Pansin ninyo? Nga maski nga, day, pangutana lagi unsaon, day. Kaya para di ka magkamali, di yun pangutana. Kaya naman, mahadlok sila mangutana. Because they might think na bubog ka, waka kabalo, you don't know your way or whatever, pag di ka mangutana ka. Yes or yes? Yes. But the mark of intelligent people, you ask questions. Hello? Yes. You know why I'm paid so good with Fortune 500 clients? Because I ask questions they never ask. Hello? Yes. Is it okay? I'll give you an example. In China. So there's a particular technology manufacturing company and that used to be dominated by 3 players in China. Kuyaw kayo ni sila. Hindi na lang ko isulti para di mo makabalo. But anyway, technology manufacturing, dominate yun. And then natingala sila for a particular year, ingon sila nga naman karon to gamay man kaayo ang atong kita. Unya gipangutana po nila, gi-research po nila tong mga dagko. Na-realize nila kagmay po kayo kita ang kauban ng mga dago. So ningon sa it's okay. In this industry, everybody is actually going down. So that's fine. And a lot of us think that way. Yes? Pare-parehas matantanan, go down man. Right?
Yeah.
So everybody, gamubo ang ilang market share.
Yeah.
So, tama ba na siya? Pwede tama si mong pangunaw but it's wrong. Anong wrong man? Yeah. Kung saan mo pagkabalo, there's something wrong. Simple. In my mind, kung may mukha market share, 100% ginatanan. Kung okay, total mo tanan, yung mukha mo to 100%, somebody else is grabbing the share. Right? Yes. Wait, if everyone combined doesn't sum up to 100% of the market share, then somebody else is taking the share. So let's investigate who's taking the share. You know what they found out? What? Mga gagmay kay nga mga manufacturing, almost home-based manufacturing companies. Ngadto di ay gaadto ang mga shares, dito di nakaon. But if we did not ask, they will not find out. Hello?
Ay.
Unsahay, wa kay tama ka tubag, kaya wa ka nangutana. Or kung nangutana man ka, nangutana ka sa mali nga pangutana. And that is why there are problems today that don't get solved in your business or in our society because we keep on doing the same solutions. And the reason why we keep on doing the same solution is because we keep on asking the same questions. Hello? But ask outside of the box. Ask as if you're innocent because you are. Everybody's innocent in some cases. Tama? Ask, admit, it takes a lot of humility to ask crazy questions that others have not asked before. Right? So kung ga-down imong business, ay lagi mo nga, ga-down siguro na itong business, kaya nga ni, do not assume, kaya pag magbuhat ka ng solution, huwag yapon exactly mong business, what pasabot you're asking the wrong question. Hello? Are we here? On Apple Network Marketing Company nga client. And then the client said, you know, we have to toughen up the competition because there are other network marketing companies. When you ko sila, are you sure that's the best strategy moving forward? Yes. I beg to disagree. Is that okay? Okay lang, mature na ba mo dawat ani? Pero I beg to disagree. Because even if you toughen the competition and if you don't interview where people are going, people are leaving network marketing, di ka mo interview, asa sila kapangadto, you won't know who you are competing with. Hello? Tama ba?
Yes.
Nakita mo, what? So sa network marketing na siya. So karon in the Philippine setting, abi na to daan to sa mga networking. Dauto ni mo mga networking companies, whatever. Right? Tama ba? So pildi mong tanan. Ask me why. Ay kung madaot ang entire perception sa network marketing, guess what? Katong mga ganahan ng person-to-person sales, mangita sila like avenue nga dili network marketing. Asa sila mga to? Insurance. Asa pa? Real estate. Pero mano nagadto sila? Mas dagang pagkwarta dito, di ba ya? Mas dagang kwarta, di kita dagang kwarta dito. Pero ano mga tuman dito? Kay tungod in network marketing na ginugbaay sa reputation sa matag usa. And they wanted to be somewhere where they think dili associated sa guba kay ng reputation. Gusto nato mabalik ang mga tao sa network marketing? Yes. It's not a job of one company, it's a job of everybody. Let's take it to the next level. And then we will start to attract these people again because there's more money in network marketing than those avenues. Hello?
Hi.
Against ba na to?
Yes.
Simple. Nakita mo another example. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Of question, asking yourself really good questions. Another example is, karon sa Amerika, kay gi-introduce na ang self-driving taxis.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Na musakay ka nito, wala yung driver. Kunya mo drive na lang yung siya iyaha. Yes or yes?
Yes.
Abi nila, tapos automated electric pa yun. Abi nila sa una na ang mapektuhan lang is ang mga gasolina. Kaya electric naman. Pero pag sunod sa AI na self-driving cars, unsa may mga mapektuhan na?
Driver.
Of course, drivers. Pero unsa may laing mapektuhan? Lala ka makaunaw na. Unsa may mga mapektuhan? Yes, job market, people and all. But think beyond that. Kabalo ko kung sa'yo pinaka-napektuhan pag self-driving cars in America? Gusto mo makabalo? Gusto mo makabalo? Yes. Ask me what? What? Desperado kita mo taon nila, what? What? Energy drinks.
Yeah, because
Nagbaba ang sales sa energy drinks. Because the biggest pie of people consuming energy drinks are drivers.
correct.
Wala kasagang ang energy drink daan. Wala nila napreparahan. Kaya
Correct.
man sila nag-adapt sa times.
Yeah.
Mas kilayo kay mong industriya, maigo ka kung dili ka adaptive. Kaya
Yeah.
karon daw ka ni apil ana. Ngayon ka okay ra kay ko diri sa mong city, amo aning domination ni namong city. Blah blah blah. Tingala lang ka asa na ngadto mo ma-downline. Hello?
Yeah.
So next time, what's the lesson ana? What's the lesson?
Ask what.
Upgrade. Ask. Kaya kung di ka mag-learn, di mo ka makabalo mo ask beyond what you have already learned. Because you will always operate according to your own perspective. Yes or yes?
Yes.
Alright. So, most of the time, you were taught, pag model training is empty your cup. But I advise you against it. Sorry Because, ang pinaka-best pag model ka is not to empty the cup, but to upsize your cup. Ano man? Kaya pwede na jud kag empty nga cup, pero gamay pud kay mong cup. Empty ka, pero di gamaya, dali na kay ka mapuno. 30 minutes pa lang natong istorya, katulugo na kay ka. Puno naman ka.
Correct.
Kung yung may nga ka, sobra na back to basic lang ta. Guys, mo nang dili gyud mo dato, dili mo rank up. Nga naman, ingani ka gamay mong cup, mo rank up pa ka. Sige lagi kag empty, pero gamay po kay kunod. Right? So the solution is upsize your cup. Dapat karong hapuna, padak-anay dito cup. Expand, come on, expand your cup. Come on, everybody expand. Padak-anay tag cup. Para maski do sa imong pinakalitro, kaya pa kayo ni mo i-take in. Are we here? Kay basig na pa ka sa unahan ang mutapang sa imo para makarang up ka. Gusto ka mag-Pegasus, pero karon sa learning 30 minutes, give up na ka. Iwingon na yun ka, grabe. Ano katong uban, nag-rank up man, ang uban dili. Di ba na yung nga na? Niya pero training, uban, grabe na kayo, rank up na tayo, uban, kaya di mo rank up. Ano man? Kay katong naan dito man ang rank up, upsize kayo yung cup. Absorb kayo niya, apply na yun niya sa katanan, tama? Kung dali man maubos kayo, sige mo siya apply. So refill na po siya. Yes or yes? Ikaw, gamay na galing mong kapo, kung ikaw refill. So kaya, grabe ako na ninyo mo storya, oy. Di mo, bisaya mo ko ninyo. Lahi nyo lang tinonan, basta bisaya. Right? Hindi ka nakaaway, ha? Kasi paggawas dito na manumbod sa kongkalit. Diba? Hindi for specific people, okay? Amigo gyapon ta. Are we here? So, what I did was actually dili na mao gyud ang libro ha, para one of the things that I love doing is also art, so I just did that. But anyway, I actually came up with a book. And the book is the very first scientifically verified book on the success system on network marketing. Alright? So ang goal was actually to find a replicable success blueprint. Which means, ang key sa network marketing mga is kinahanglan na permanent nga ang success sa usa kay ma-replicate or ma-repeat ngadto sa uban. So, unsa may nagpatabang sa ako nga ma-create ni nga book? Gusto pa mo maminaw?
Yes.
I've been in network marketing since 2002. Alright? So it's been 22 years already as of today that I was in network marketing, both as a distributor, but also as a consultant, both to companies and distributors. So I know by heart the struggles, challenges, and some things that make people successful in network marketing. Nagana kaayo ko gibuhat, naimon akong scientist, nabot akong Fortune 500, pero lalong kay na sa akong kasing-kasing ng network marketing. Kaya nga naman, nagto bitaw pag mo assist ko mga Fortune 500 executives, successful sila. Pero hindi ko sure kung successful po ba mga tao na nasa ubos nila. Ang company, yes. Pero dili sa network marketing, nabito'y makakuha ko idea, niidagan niya, mausap tayo niya kinabuhi. Right? So it's a massive way of impacting the lives of so many people. That's why I still do this as a cause today. Are we here?
Yes.
And some people would ask me, why do you still do that? Alright? Compared to corporate, dali ra kay ko makakwarta sa corporate, pero nga yung network marketing, mobalik yung ko, I still teach people again and all. I was telling Ma'am Beth earlier that, I had an offer in the US nga C-suite, and naku kay nga social media company, subsidiary sila, they wanted me to come up with some products and all. Chief Product Officer, and the offer was $800,000 per year. Alright? That's about 45 million per year. Sweldo. Pero expatriated man ko, so libre akong balay. Tama? Libre pa akong sakyanan, akong fuel, pati akong mga anak, pwede po ng eskwela, libre gyapon, and all. Pero kapag ko na-realize na ko, yes, kung wato na ko na impact, but maybe it can wait. And I realized I still need to go back to the Philippines. One of the biggest reasons because I don't want to expose my kids yet, bata pa sila, sa environment nito sa America. I've been exposed in America. I know how schools are. They're very good schools, pero pag-abot sa morals, grabe kay ka-compromise. And I'd rather raise up my kids in good morals here in the Philippines. That's number one. Pero wakit ko nang hinayang nga nag-refuse ko atong offer. Why? Because there's so much meaning here. Meaning in what I do, right here, like this. Right? Katubang ko sa inyo karon, ang uban sa inyo siguro ma-inspire, ma-optimize and all, and I'm sure you're gonna be leaders of other people as well. Leaders of our community. There's so much leadership gap in the Philippines. And what if you can learn from this? You're inspired to improve yourself, right? At the last mile or whatever of your life, then you just really push it a little forward to make an impact in lives of others. Okay na nga ko ang goal din sa punta na punta, ma-inspire ka. So anyway, kanisha, back then, the reason why I was able to write the book, and it's still under copyright right now, no? It takes 6 months to 1 year, and then we start publishing the book. The reason why I was able to write that, for one reason, for several reasons. Number one, when I joined Network Marketing, I was a cross-cultural missionary. I'm actually trained to do ethnographic research. Get that? So I came to know Christ when I was 17 years old in college, and that's the reason why I did not finish college. I was like all out for God. God, you changed my life. I want to change the world. Pero mahingala yun kayo ba? Nakibiyaan yun ako. Ako ko, mapa. Mga yun, wala yung rason. Pero yan, kina-expose mo kung isa ka community nga public yung kayo sila tanan. Way pagkaon, wala yung education. Ako, para unsa nga akong gibuhat. Hindi aktivista ha. Pero para unsa nga ako ang gibuhat. Kung yan, isa ka community. The lives are not changing at all. And ako, just give me a year, give me a year, give me a year. So anyway, wala akong galaw sa kong parents. So ning lakaw, gayapon ko. Ano ko, God, para manisig mo ha. So I gave it a year. And then because of that, I had to go through some training. So I went through some training, ethnographic research, which means we get to understand kung sabi ng ilang patterns of culture so that maka-immerse me fully with them. Na dili dala-dala ang atong perspective. Get that? After a year ato, na grabe kay ito, kay tuwod, you know, I did everything, we did everything, particularly ang akong job, we went global in terms of campaign, so there were a lot of people supporting that community, there in Pilipinas, padala sila, so natukod nitong eskwelahan, namin nabutang na teacher, na mga gagmay na kay sweldo, pero at least na nag-volunteer, natagan silang allowances and all, tapos at the same time, ilang food, nag-improve dito tanan, pero only for 1 year. Kaya nga naman, nagsawa sila hatag. Di ba nga nang kalaganan misyon? Ang nagbuhi solicitation? Right? You know? Nawala ang work. Nung gawas ko atong work, ang akong resolution ni ngani. Ingon ko, if you have a good intention in life, then it is your responsibility to be rich. Ask me why.
Why?
Kinsa sa inyo diri kung naa kay billions karon, at least 10% of that gamito nimo to help other people. Raise your hand. Hala, gamay lang ang uman, kamkumon yun yung tanan. Isa ka daw ang kamot kung gusto ka mo tabang sa mga tao financially. Yes or yes? Yes! Okay, Kuya Juan, mansad ko, di na tawag padayon anyway. Hindi, ako rin yun 1 billion, ako rin yun ni. Di ba mo tabang kita? Yes! Nakita yung tamang intensyon? Yes! Pero sa'yo problema? Ako kay kag-intensyon. Ang problema mo kay kwarta. Kaya nga naman, katong pangit kahit mga intensyon, mo man ito'y help kayo mo create wealth. Mo bitang nahitabo dito sa Pilipinas, kay mga how kay mo create wealth are actually people na dili tama og intensyon. Kaya nga naman, ang mga tama og intensyon mo yun naman, uy, di ta magpadato, uy, dautan man na siya. Dato kay ka sa intensyon, pero wa kay kwarta. So niyong ko sa akong kagalingon, if I have a good intention, it's my responsibility to be rich so that I can finance my own intentions. I don't have to wait for other people or solicitation to make things work. I'll finance it myself. That brought me to becoming an entrepreneur. I became an entrepreneur at age 27. By God's grace, I became a millionaire. And I started to earn over $1 million per month. And all, and just amazing. Started to mentor others, and all, it worked. Get that? Then I invited network marketing back then. And then again, nagpadayon ang akong ethnographic nga eyes on what works and all. Kaya akong intention, gusto niyo kung ma-repeat ang success. Na di lang ako may mong successful, di lang ako bang tao, but kung pwede tanan. Kaya basig ang gitudlo, specific lang for other people. Right? Na ninuod yun ko, na-realize na ako, dala ako to the next level when I was exposed to a scientific yun nga research, nga kanang hard science. Gikuha na ko itong research hard science to figure out. Kaya sa hard science, stricto mo kay muwag yung anaon, na dili na mao, di yun na mao, dagang kay cancel, para may buwan ni mo, unsa ragid pwede mag-work on what is really contributing to the success. Are we here? Yes. So I applied that discipline right now, and I remember 2019, I told myself, I want to be able to look deeper, investigate what are the success factors in network marketing. Hello? I started with the most basic. Are we here? So first question, most basic, is age a factor in network marketing? Guess what I found out?
No.
Guess what I found out? There is no pattern that a specific age is a factor in network marketing. So age is not a factor. Palakpaki, nalipay ka anak. So you're never too old or too young for network marketing. So ayaw na lang yung gamit ang rason na para lang na ilang kay bata pa sila. Because dili na siya scientifically proven. Another na ako ang gi-ask is this. Kung ang imo bang background professionally or your work is actually a factor in network marketing? What's the answer?
No.
Apparently, there's no pattern that you can draw from all the responses na specific na profession or background nga makaingon ka pag kaning mga background na mo gini sila may mong successful. It's not true. Hello? So ayaw mo gingon na akin, negosyante mo gud sa una, kay kani mo gud sa una, di gyud na siya tinuod.
Yeah.
Hello? Yes or yes? So daghan pa kay cookie test, but eventually I figured out unsa gyud directly ang makapaigo sa income sa network. I cannot discuss that with you because I am a publisher. Alright, pero maghatag ko gamay na details sa inyo ha. Okay lang? Ginagmay lang din kayo. So, ang pag-design ako sa research is that morning income, alright, unsa gyud ang mga activities, kaya gawas man nga activities gyud network marketing, but unsa specifically ang activities nga mohatag og income sa network marketing. Do you get this? And then I found out there are a lot, but of course, kabalo na mo kung unsa na siya, and that is prospecting, right? So kung mas dagan mo prospecting, mas dagan mong income. That's all. Hello? Ana gina siya at a personal level. Now question is, nakamay nang gawas sa akong data na dili lang personal, but something na interaction sa upline o downline na po siya direct impact to network marketing. Get that? Ask me what? Upat na siya kabuok, isa lang ako pwede ihatag, hindi na ako pwede ihatag tanan because the book is not yet out. Pero kinsa gusto maka-learn? It's called immersion for breakthrough. Unsa man siya, nakikita na kung madili ng prospecting, but katong mga tao nga sila mismo, bitong kusog kayo sila muguyo ng ilang mga downline sa events, guyuro nila ang ilang mga downline sa kanang out of town para lang yun mag-learn, and then multiple days ang learning, or kaya mga camps and all, sila ang mas nakuog income compared atong kusog lang mag-prospecting. Hello? So dapat, how gyud ka maguyod? Bit-bit gyud ka pag-ayos nga tanan. Next time nga na event, dapat dili lang ikaw ang naa. Dapat tanan mong downlines, uban nimo.
Correct.
Kabalo ka unsaon pag-measure sa strength sa imong grupo, sa imong team? Ask me how.
How?
Kung pila kabuok ang imong kauban in a training will determine how strong your team is. Kaya kung immersion is a factor for people to earn more income, buot pa sabot, ang katong mga team leaders na mas dagan o gibit-bit for trainings are actually the ones who make more money. Actually the ones who create more income. So dapat, next time na training yan, ayaw pag inusara, bit-bit o dagan mga tao. I mean, bit-bit din mo mga leaders, bit-bit din mo mga downlines. Get that?
Yes.
Are you getting that?
Yes.
Karon ang akong question na po, kanina po nga question. Kaya kani mo ingon man yung mga tao diri nga, dapat lalom lang yung kay kagway. Yes or yes?
Yes.
So ang question ako, tinuod ba gyud nga kung lalom ka og buhay, mas dako kag kita? Unsay ito ba?
No.
Yes? Guess what? Ninggawas sa data na ang imong why cannot influence your performance. At ayun mo example. Daghan kay mga tao pag may istorya sila mo, maghilak-hilak pa yun. Huwag yun din alam, sunod ko, pero pag kumakapulan kayo, hindi mag-prospecting. So walay kinalaman ang why sa imong high performance. Pero importante ang why for what? Retention. You stay longer in the company if your why is deep into the company. Are we here? Or the products? Pero why alone will not equal to success. It can make you stay so that you grow yourself. Pero kung nag-stay put ka, loyalista ka pero wa ko gaga-grow, wa ko gaga-business, then dili po ka mo income. Nakuha ba na to? So buot pa sa buot, dili enough dahil yung why. So nag-question ko karon, if why is not enough, kaya ang usual na training kay why, kunya skills equals income. Yes? Di ba yung ana naman? Pero karon kaya proof man ako sa akong research, and my research spans 27 countries. Alright? Over 100,000 respondents already. Nga mugawas magid consistently ang why walay direct impact dito except for retention. So unsa ang missing link between the why and the action? Right? So mo itong giunaw na, nga naman na i-consistent, nga nung dili consistent, na parehas man sila nalalumog why? Yes or yes?
Yes.
So gitanaw na ko ang pattern sa mga parehas ug nalalumog why? Unya gitanaw na ko ang mga gi-categorize na ko ang ilang income and unsay actions ilang gibuhat. And then we started to ask again, unsa may naa nga na-develop nila, nganong consistent sila, nganong effective sila compared to others, nga pare-parehas man sila nalulugway, pare-parehas man sila kabalog skills, na knowledge. And then we figure out 7 factors. We call that antecedents or drivers for success. Are we here?
Yeah.
I cannot tell everything, but I can tell one. Is that okay?
Yes.
Is that okay?
Yes.
All right. So one of those factors is actually called internal locus of control. Forgive me for the word, kaya wala gilain na term na pwede mahatag. This one, internal locus of control. In other words, ang imong point of origin sa imong control is actually internal. Katong akong gingon kagaina, unsay buot pasabot, nakabalukang ang imong success in this business is all based on you. Kaya naman, then you improve yourself. Pero the moment na maguna-una ka ang imong business na kasalalay sa ubang tao, which sometimes di nato na mabantayan, sometimes maguna-una ta, tungod sa company, tungod sa upline, tungod sa mga ingani, ug tanan na lang butang, karang mga excuses na itong dinabuhat. You get that? Kaya tungod di nato gusto nga ma-point out sa ito nga, kita be responsible, ana. Yes or yes? Internal locus of control means you are responsible for your own results. Period. No one else. Pero kadaghanan mga tao di sila successful, not only in network marketing but also in their own lives because they blame others. They complain about just about anything outside of them. Ang tawag na external locus of control. Kapag feeling nimo mahimo lang kang successful kung mabago ang nas gawas nimo, imong asawa, imong anak, imong upline, imong downline, ang company, ang products, and everything, pati na lang po ang pati na lang po ang weather niya, pati po naman ko sa Pilipinas good, niya naman ko sa ingani, tanan na lang yun, except mong kaugalingon. When you develop that, alright, the next thing that develops inside of you is called learned helplessness. Meaning, feeling mo helpless na kayo ang imong situation, hangtod nga mabago ang uban, or mabago ang sitwasyon. Hello? Do you get that? But friends, understand that it is not about the situation around you. It is all about your decision. Your life will not change because the situation around you has changed. Your life will change because of your decision. And it's also not about the resources around you. Kaya pwede man yun, ang inyong company nga muhatag sa inyong tanan na lang, ipalibre na lang, pero di ka po successful. Nga naman, kaya magsige lang nagigulat nga tos gawas. External ang ilang locus of control. Do you get that? So it's really not about the resources. It's all about resourcefulness. And both decision and resourcefulness are actually internal. O di na ma-develop sa sulod na to, huwag yung asenso ang dagan sa itong kinabuhi. Mas ipag-asa mo adto. Umuwan, dirita, apil ta ko bang network marketing? Kay diri, naiingani. Apil ta another network marketing? Kay diri, mo na akong apply. Kay diri, sige na kagunaw of advantages outside of you. But the truth is, the person who's responsible for your own success is yourself, not others.
Correct.
Pwede ka palibutan o pinakahawd ng mga tao sa tibong kalibutan na di kaya kahawd. Kung ang imo una-una, sila ang magpadato nimo. Hinay mo ka lang. Put your hand on your shoulder, in your chest right now. Hinay mo kagalingon. Ako ay Pilipino. Come on, everybody. So, Ingon din na, grow your business 10 times in 6 months or less. Kinsay gusto na? Wala rin mong ganahan. Pagawa sa ating libro, palit mo ha.
Yes!
Makitaan yun na niya tanan unsa ang actions. I called it vital action and all the steps. I wrote it in a way na guidebook siya, dili ng inspirational. Kaya itong daghan na kayo inspirations kalibutan kani how to tanan. Alright? Unsaon pag, for example, connect to people nga dili mo kaila. Tak, 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 tak. Kaila, tak, 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 tak.
That one I
Yan ang
want to
tanan,
know.
steps.
Connect people that
Alright? Unsaon pag-close sa sale. Pak, 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 pak. And then, itong giingon ako nga, unsaon pag-prepare for immersion for breakthrough. Pak, 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 pak.
Maghulat
Practical
ako
guys
sa
na
libro
tanan.
pa, mahawd.
Kaya muna kulang sa network marketing. Dagang kita inspiring, mga why, mga eye stories, mag-eventa, di ba? Puros mga ingana, inspired kita, hilak-hilak dito sa tanan, pabuli na ito, tapulan kaya po kita, pagkakalong sa bubuhaton. Dagang na kayo na.
So,
Ang gusto na ko diri, inspired ka, pero balik ka sa libro, apply na yun mo kay kamalukaon sa buhaton.
correct.
Are we here? Yes. So that's what the book is all about. Alright? It's applicable to any culture. Is excited, Ana? Wala din mo excited, hindi na kong balik. So, alright, probably by end of the year or next year, the book will be out already. Alright, so balik na sa pang research. Okay lang? Yes. Salamat sa intro, karon ako magsugod. Mahulaw ko sa stage. So, my new research right now is the impact of bioenergetic modulators in optimizing human performance. Sorry, ako na yung pinakasimple nga pwede natin isulti about my new research. But ang point is that, natay bioenergetic modulators, natay pwede buhaton nga ma-modulate ang atong energy systems in our body nga naay direct impact sa performance atong brains. Is that okay? Kailangan ba tanak? Yes. So naay mga substance, naay mga non-substance. For example, a form of exercise, a form of prayer and meditation or whatever nga na-test yun siya nga na siya direct impact ngadto for optimizing human performance. So that's where I am. Now, one thing common about this learning is that, one thing common about what na naman the research, I'm still going through that. In fact, second week of April, I'm flying back again to the US, go to a Harvard laboratory again, and ako gusto nga i-figure out, mag-create of, ako proposal, my proposal has been approved, and then we start to develop something around it. Okay? So, but my point is, kisa gusto mo successful again, raise your hand. Sabon ako. Wala di mo siguro successful lang kasi hindi gusto mo successful. Kung gusto mo success, dapat yun, sa kalisod sa kinabuhi karon dapat, you really have to fight for your success.
Yes.
Di na pwede na, I don't do success. Sa kanagandang ng tao nga gusto mo successful, niya kulang ang kwarta. You
Yeah.
have to fight for your share.
Correct.
Hello? Yes. Dili, ang pundo ba yung kwarta, mutuyok naman na siya. Understand this, economics. Ang kwarta, limited. O niya, kung ipanghatag ni mo ang mga tao equally, ang kwarta, dili gid kay significant ang atong wealth altogether individually. You get that? Muna na yun ay competition towards it. Buhat yung kaugwapo nga sistema, buhat yung kaugwapo nga strategy. Buhaton yun mo tanan para mas dako nga share ang maadto sa imuha. It's as simple as that. Economics is as simple as that. You get that? So, ang mga tao mo kasabot, sabi yun nila, infinite yun ang supply ang money and all. So, ng sun. Di ba? So, di na siya infinite supply. Are we here? It is a finite supply. It has certain limits. Do you get that? That's why only those who fight for it can grab it. Hello? So, kaysa gusto mo na ito, makitas ka mo? Ay, na ako. Kaya sakit yun ako. Alright? Kaysa gusto mo na ito, makitas ka mo? Anak yun, kailangan ko anak. Ayaw pa hinahinay eh. Noon pa lang naka-arthritis. Ayaw pa ila. No? Okay. Ayaw pa ila kay health product pa yung ibit-bit. Alright, exercise palagsa. Alright, so what I understood about people who are successful, especially in sales, naagit sila a certain level of energy all the time.
Yeah.
Napansin niyo ang mga top earners, maski sa inyong company, naagit sila yung lakaw na pare-parehas. Hindi pare-parehas of style, pero parehas of level of energy. In sales, people are operating at the same level of energy, ang mga top earners. Napansin mo? Ang lakaw, kanang definite big kayo lakaw, di ba? May certainty ang ilang lakaw. Pag mo istorya, grabe kay conviction, taas kay energy kanunay. Yes? Nakakita na mga top earner ninyo diri, yung lakaw, kay binaharan mo. Ang kamalaka. Madato, tadari. Mabayaran ka na ninyong utang. Uulang yun, ani. Wa pa yun nakitaan sa sales ngayong anak. Nakakit siya na energy tanan. Tama? Tanawa mo si Ma'am Beth. Oh, gamay lang si Ma'am Beth, di ba? Small frame, pero tanawa ang certainty.
Yeah.
The way siya mag-istorya is very soft, right?
Yes.
Pero soft na ka lang, walang espada. Right? Di ka kapano, nagkadugo na. Anak, yun yung level ba, di ba? Oh,
Correct.
wala ka ni, di ba? Numubo na ganyan yung skill, numubo yung energy. Kapag mo, katong bago pa, bitaw, kakita na rin itong bago pa kang wakay kay Neymauan, pero grabe kay ka makaklose og sale, pakita sa kamon. Wa pa kay Neymauan, pero bago pa ka makasuli ka, palit yun si mo ha. Yung mali-mali, may hindi pang inon.
Correct.
Yung palit. Nga nanini mo ka, Fred, naminaw, siya, mali, mo gulay mo pang inon. O sige lang, may nakapalit man. Karoon, hawag na kahit kasi katara, may story ka pinahanay, nag-ginaw. Because, wala naging palit niyo mo.
Correct.
Testing mo na?
Yes.
It's energy, my friends. Because sales is all about transference of energy. Ganahan, manay ka mo palit na ng mga taong walang siya mismo, walang tuo sa hindi baligya. Hello? So dagan kayo nagmabaligyan, di lang product. If you have a good system, mabaligyan ninyo pati ang growth because there are a lot of people who are coming for the growth and transformation.
Correct.
Yes or yes? Yes. A great network marketing company is actually a business school by itself. It's helping people learn business. You get that? Yes. So dagan pa nga na pwede na ito ma-offer. Yes or yes? Yes. So dapat taas yun ang energy. Hello? Hi. So, dapat atong energy, level 10 energy all the time. What level?
10.
Nako, level 4. What level?
10.
Ay nako, warning level 3 naman noon. What level? 10. Ana, 5 pa. What level? 10. Luya mo ito. Level 6. Come on, give me level 10. Are you ready? Ano ka rin? 1, 2, 3, go. What level? Yan, si Ma'am. Level 10 na si Ma'am. Ma'am, may pakita na to sa ilang sa yung level 10. Ma'am, okay? Sige, sama. Kami lang ni Ma'am. Sa mga ilang tanan. Ano lang sa mo. Okay, Ma'am. Likod sa Ma'am. Asa kayo ang level. Karoon natin pakita. 1, 2, 3, go. What level? O ka na! Anak ko gusto. Ano mga lagpot dito ng spirito ba sa yung energy? What level? Anong mga ulawan mo? Pero di mo hype na nga mo, sir. Di mo na hype good. Pag-uul mo mo patterns in life.
Correct.
It's all about patterns, my friend. Hello? Your pattern is always equal to outcome. So there are certain, ang imong pattern, if it's working, carry on. But patterns are always equal to outcome. Unless you change your pattern, you will never be able to change your outcome. Hello? Hi. Who understands that it takes a lot of energy to be successful? Raise your hand. If you understand that it takes a lot of energy to be successful. Do you know that if you want to be successful these days sa kapaspas sa dagat sa panahon, you have to train like an athlete? Agree? Yes. Health, appeal na yun ang health. If you want to be successful sa kapaspas panahon karon. Right? So dapat, kuan kita, energize kita. Do you get that?
Yes.
Are we getting it?
Yes.
Now give me level 10 energy. 1, 2, 3, go! What level? Yes! Ano? Palapakan natin, come on. Level 10 energy all the time. What level? What level? What time? All the time. Ano ba pag yung what time? Ano tayo nakatulog mo? What time? Hindi mo ko na mao? All the time ang tubad. What time? all the time. Bantay mo, ha? Level 10 all the time ta karon. Okay lang ba? Yes! Gusto mo nga mo senso sa itong kinabuhi? Para parang mo ba, nagkilan-kilan, hindi mo anong kawan. Anong pasakit-sakiton para may mo successful? Pero pangutana, sa imong paghilom, na successful ka. Diba? Alright, remind one another. Be like a child again.
Be like a child.
Are we here? Yes. So, unsa man ang level 10 na energy, dapat appeal po na ang ability natin to celebrate successes. Sometimes a lot of us are operating from a place of void and emptiness, from a place of failure. Na gusto kami mo successful, pero ang imong reference point ay nag-fail ko. You get that? Huwag yung energy gikan diha. What you actually need to begin with is to appreciate what you went through in life. Because the fact is, if you did not fight in the past, you wouldn't be here today. Yes? Ano nga ako makakaroon diri? Because you fought in the past. Pero what ano mo na-appreciate? What ano mo na-appreciate itong mga times nga gibanatan yun mo yung career, pero bago pa kang panganak, na-breastfeed ka at the same time, it was so painful, it was difficult. And you seem to think that, my life, it's a wreck. Pangit kayong dagan sa kong kinabuhi, but the truth is, you fought for that. May mga nanay o tatay diri nga kapoy na kayo mong awas, pero mo bangon lang yun ka para mong trabaho, kay kabalo ka na kay anak na kinahanglan yun ni mo, i-feed.
Correct!
Honestly, ma'am, nandisot pa. Habang istorya na ako itong Bisaya, kung feed ako na yun, biga pangita ako kung sa may Bisaya na sa feed, ang ako muna kay bahog. Kung sa Bisaya dapat, apakanon, mga baboy kay bahogon. Pinuhay pa mo na, bahog mo itong feed na lang ang igamit. But you have children nga kinahanglan mo pakanon. Kapoy naging kaayo. Tama? You fought for it. Right? Do not ever think you're not successful. Because in your own ways you are. Do not think you're not a champion, because in your own ways you are a champion. There were times when you almost gave up. You almost gave up your life on a sickness. You almost gave up your life on a death. Or kaya gibulagan pa kaniya, you almost gave up. But you stood up the next day. Even if it was so difficult to stand up again. But you kept on moving and moving and moving. And you're here. So today, right now in this place, is supposed to be a place of celebration because you made it here. Come on! You're supposed to be celebrating that. You're supposed to be grateful about it.
Yes.
If you want to be successful, then you have to be able to look back in the past, and no matter how bad it looks like to other people, but you emerge a champion out of it. Right? Because you're here. Still fighting. When I'm in a network marketing, because people are there to fight. People are there to change their lives. They're not giving up on something. Yes? Mabless kay ko diri nga lugar, kay tumadagan diri nga kabalo ko, mas dako pagidad kaya sa sakwa, but you're still fighting. Such amazing thing. It's such a gift. I don't have my parents anymore. Right? Tumagbigawa na sila, nangamatay na sila. But I really respect people na ka-hold on gyapon sa ilang dream. I remember my mother, nag-graduate siya college when she was over 40 years old. Muna ako ning balik yung eskwela. Kaya kung ako ang mama na buhat niya, buhaton po na ako. Get that? Pero kung papa, grabe yung struggle. Mas kung saan naman negosyong sudlan, panpaktanan niya, of course, wag yun training about business and all. But eventually, na-brought up ko, gawas mo ko. Napupriman mi kayo sa natanan sa una. Ako, I remember growing up, Davao City. Nandito sa Torres Extension, kasi taga Davao din. Ngayon taga Davao? So kung na taga Davao? Oo, taga Davao. Obrero, Torres Extension, kanang bago na karoon na kondo. Diya? Di ba na-squatter diya? Di ako nitako. Kung papa driver, konduktor ko sa kong papa, kung first exposure to public speaking, napangondok ko. Obrero. Kumbaga, ito na ang natapos. Tingin nga nagtag piso-piso. Pero, anak yun, bata pa lang ko. Nung ina ko ang kinabuhi, mga tao di man mutuwa na. Kaya mo ingon man sila nga, are you, pang village ma'am, tama? Ang tawag sa mga mga pang village. Kinara mis kilid.
Pamkilage.
Ano na ka? Ang gitong lugar ma'am, di ba? Kanya, kangkungan pa na diha. So ang amuang CR sa una, kikibuhat sa kong papa dito dapit sa kangkungan. Kaya inundog ko ato amuang CR, karon magchismis na ba, panunggo natin kamay sila. Ang amuang CR sa una, ang papa rin nagbuhat. Kanya ka nang tawag ng kuhan bitaw, nature, tawag ng tanghalan, tawag ng batas mo dito kayo niya, baka ulon mo kayo dito. So mo, ngita ka dito niya, wapo kayo pagkabuhat sa kong papa na CR. Ask me why.
Why?
Na siya duha ka features. Ano mo siya feature? Number 1 na siya AI. Artificial Intelligence. Ano ka break kung papa sa una? Ikadua, kay organic siya. Ano mo ano? Okay lang na istorya, ganahan mo istorya na ko? Istorya na ko ha? Okay, kaya nga naman, pag sunod mo, purusin man to, di ba? Inaway atop. So, musunod na bitaw ka dito, kay di ba ang sino niya, ang iyang ka, kay kanang bitang kahoy nga nanahon na, niya na ilansa nga dako kay nga 4 tunga. Kung niya, kay masigi magkaulanan mo, dako kitong bangag dito. So, kung mulingkod na ka dito, gunitan yun mo. Kaya kung mabuyan mo, maghuna-una siya iya. Artificial Intelligence. Ano na yung kakanunay? Kaya kung buyan na mo, butuyog siya iya. Ano mo, abring? Mag-abring, yan, nagtulog-tulog basketball sa unahan. Una, artificial intelligence ang yung prangka. Ang ikadua, organic siya. Kamang mo nga na organic? Walang siya toilet bowl. Gamay ka ni mo niyong, pwede yung ka malusot. Kanto ko nagsugod sa pagka-scientist. Kaya nga naman, natuloy ko na ka, namang po dahil lahing binuhat ang Ginoo. Na-straight, na-galikos-likos, na-dagan, na-atlas, pag may kupisik mo, anak dayon. Ano ko kuya mo? What a rich ecosystem. Grabe kayo sa tanan. Pero kapag mo anong organic yun siya, kaya kung imo siyang hulugan, manimano siyang bisik. Kaya, kaluan mo, sir. Anak yun mong kinabuhi. Grabe yun kayo sa tanan. Pero, ingon sila nga, how palagi ka mo English? Pobre na ganin, hindi pag yun maging English, tama? Ako mama kay dato sila nga family, na in love man sa kong papa. Nabugoy kayo sa tanan, di sa likway. And all. So ako mama, ito doon, yun mag-English. So, pobre yun kayo sa tanan, pero mamalingki ako mama, magsunod-sunod ko, ako muna kay kabalo kong English, come mom. Wala na may pag-mama diya, kay pobre kayo ta. Oo ta. Mom, yun ko. Papa kay kulatahon ko kay mo ko, Dad. Ano ko, Dad? We have changed. Yung doktor, huwag ka mag-English. Isa ka gabi una ako, Mama. Eh, grabe yun tayo. Yan ang ako namin. Anak ko, Mom, salt again? Kaya asin naman ko na musunan. Baka na asin. Susigaw. Nung daw lagi ko sa mga binuhat sa ako nagawin ko, may put no, sa among kapobre yun, di na nisinkin sa ko, nga pobre yun tayo, magingana, kaya wala naging kay pangarap sa kinabuhi, ano, kaya nung ko kinakos kong papa, kaya magmekaniko sa atong guba niya nga sa kiyanan, sa kuwan, kung siya, tamang diri, tapulan ko kayo sa katanan, ako pa, di mo ko tapulan. Kasi dili tapulan ko ka, ano di ko tabang, pamugas, ano di mo ka mamugas sa plato, ano yan, mamugas, kukuha ka sa kita. So, ano yan, so, iyagi ko kasabad ko na yan, puno naman yung ako, pa, na siya, pagdako, di mo pubrikate ka, kaya maski pamugas sa plato, di mo mabuhat. So, hindi ako mapapalit, hindi ako, pa, dili. Kaya kung mudako ko, mubayad ko maghugas ng plato. Kaya ako mas tangan buhaton ng buhaton ko. Ay, kung matawa ka! Nakasudan man bitaw may gwapo kayo ang pagkaon at the time, kaya ito nagkagaling pag-jeep, dala siyang manok and all, niya gusto gini pagkaon mo. Simutin niya, Bicolano man siya. Simutin, sa Tagalog, butmasot, hutdon, gini. Simutin mo, hutag yun na. Niya gusto niya ka ng pinakagamay na lang bigay ng sila ng mungho. Oo, mga gulog-gulog. Huwag yung kaunong tanan ba? Yes, ko lagi ko kayo, ko kaya kaya kumumura man tani nga nangyari mo sa papa. Hindi lang siya. Kapag magkala to sa Afrika, ang mga bata dito ay gikaon kita dili ginanan uto ni mo na ko kagamay-gamay na nangani. Uto binani mo kay dagan kay kuhay gikaon dito sa Afrika. Sulod ko sa among sulod ko nga to sa warag karang mga pilot dito. Ako gikuha mas simple anak ako mo. Ito na Afrika. Happy ko na sumpag. Ano nakaligay yun ko. Kung kawalog ka, sorry, before namatay akong papa, 2 weeks before, ningon siya dong. May nalang yung gahit kay kagulo. Kaya may mong kinabuhi karon, huwag yun ika-imagine, kamay nga na din. Pasaylo ako. Maayos yung pasaylo. May nalang yung gahit kay kagulo, waka na minaw na ko. Ako di mo kung maminaw ito pa. Di ba? So, anyway. Now, asa naman tayo? Ako nga na lang kita, huwag maging kong kasugod. Actually, ako next time. Nagan pa naglatunan? So, isa sa mga butang yun nga pinaka-waste is open energy. I'm not talking about energy nga nasa gawas. I'm talking about energy that we produce in our body. Ano man na siyang waste? Nagan kita gikaon pero wala itong gikagamit. Right? So atong buhaton, isa pag ma-translate na tanan atong dinatake into results in our lives. You get that? Pero ma-open din na siyang energy unless you stick to a goal. And yes, you find something to create or produce. Yes or yes? Yes. Dapat lagi kay goal. Are we here? Yes. Gusto mo atagan tamog secret to success? Yes. Okay. And secret to growth and secret to success are one. Is that okay? If I can simplify it. Inganin ni siya. Alright? Kung bata pa lang ta, ang mode of learning na ito, kay watay na ibawaan, mulingkod ka, magsira ka paminaw, and you just take in. And it's also because ang test for your learning is test paper lang. O niya, kung unsay mong answer dito, tama, mali, and whatever. You get that? Pag-abot mo ka high school, it's the same mode. Mostly in the Philippines, pag-abot college, it's the same mode. Pero pag adults na bitaw ka, na kay professional na life, after college na life, do you know that an adult brain does not learn if you don't have a goal? Sabunan ko, ang adult na brain, dili ka learn kung walay goal. Hello? Kaya ang mode na to, selective naman kahit ang adult. Kahit tungod atong energy, di naman optimal kaayo kanunay. Kasabot naman tang atong energy limited. Ato ang time limited. That's why ang mode sa atong learning, ang scope sa atong learning, will depend kung unsa imong goal. If you are learning something that serves your goal, you learn a lot. Are we here? Yes. Kung ito ikaw nakakadiri, kaya gusto ka mangita ka, makatabang sa imo para makuha na imong goal. Tama ba? Yes. Tama ba? Yes. Pero tisingin, ang kay downline nga, wag ka goal, di ka na magtuon. Hello? Yes. Unya, mas kinaan natin na, di kaya mo na magtuon, kaya mo siya goal. Pero na kay goal, absorb yung kakain. Kaya kabalo ka, kinahanglan mo na for the next step of your goal. Yes or yes? Yes. Because that's how the adult brain works in terms of learning and growing. It is always in a context of a goal. Hello? In other words, kung wala kay goal, you're not growing at all. Maski pagdagan ka kagibasa nga libro, malimtar na ni mo halos. Istorya ra gyud ang kutob. Pag abot na yung mga problema and whatever, nalimot na dahil kaanatanan. Do you get that? Because the adult brain basically absorbs information, retains information in the context of their goals. You only want to learn those that are serving your goals. If it's not serving your goal, you call it waste of time. Yes or yes? Yes. Tama ba? So, importante na yung goal. Ang question na ako sa ato karon para makapadayon to diri na naagin ni power and transformative ang atong experience is, do you have a goal? Yes! Do you have a goal? Yes! Now, I want you to get a pen and paper right now and start writing what your goal is. Come on. Write your goal before the end of the year. Go, go. What's your goal before the end of the year?
Wala yung paper.
Okay. Kaya kayo nagpalpak kagyan sa itong kinabuhi, yes?
Yes.
Maraming nagtutok sa palpak. Because they're all learning lessons for us. Right? They're all part of the journey. Yes or yes?
Yes.
Okay, kabalog yung tao nga naigiagyan sa kinabuhi. Kay tungod kuan sila, kanang grounded sila ng mga tao. No? Pag naigiagyan sa kinabuhi. Kinsay ready ka, mamuhagi pa sa next na pag-chapter sa mga kinabuhi. Raise your hand. Aluman ka ng ano ba? Dapat pala ay lahing. Sige lang, kaya ready naman ka sa kadagan sa mong giagihan. Tama ba? Alright, magpadayon ta. Okay. So the reason why we did that, because a lot of people gusto mo yung successful, pero dili sila kabalo to put their energies on a higher state. Are we here? So gusto na ko sugda na to karon para na iwan sugod akong topic, okay lang? So kani
Isa na ka.
Dua ka oras ng introduction. Okay, so mga life lessons, but you know, if you want to be successful in your life, you have to be on a peak state all the time, which means you have to train yourself to be at level 10. Are we here? And you have to be serious about it. Yes or yes? Yes. Because it's all about energy. Big success requires a lot of energy. Yes? Yes. Small success, no energy, okay ra gyapon kay sa tanan. But if you really want to create bigger results, you have to muster bigger energy. Are we here?
Yes.
Now, but are you ready to do that right now?
Yes.
Now, I know in your mind probably ako ba sa inyo, tiguang naman ko, bata pa naman ko, this is probably not a place for me. But you know, for as long as you're living, it is for you. Right?
Yes.
Ayaw na sige panagang kanong nga di ka mamatay. No? Of course, ang pingan ni mga kagalingon, pero ang dapat mong matanan, unsa man para mabuhi. Sa ako ang study, na-realize na ko that the things that are important to performance, high performance, when pasabot you want to be successful, you want to be world class, are also, when you do it right, are also the same things that are beneficial to your health and longevity. If it's really based on science, dili lang po motivation or positive thinking, right? If you really lay down the right foundations for that. Do you get that? So kung nakakay gusto ka success, and you have to train yourself to be on a peak state all the time. Ask me why.
Why?
Because life is too short. Peak state means being in a beautiful state all the time. Right?
Yes.
Life is too short to be in a suffering state. Your life could be difficult right now, but you don't have to suffer. You don't have to be in a state of suffering even if life is difficult. Just step in and embrace a beautiful life. Maski nagagpalpak, go lang, beautiful life, beautiful state yapon. Do you want to learn that right now?
Yes.
Do you want to learn that right now?
Yes.
Alright. Number one, if you want to optimize your performance, I will talk about two things. Number one, your energy states. Okay? I'll tell you more about that. And second, importante kayo ang imong success philosophy because that will guide the long term. Your energy state is what you will do every day. Get this? Morning mong priming for yourself every day. And your success philosophy is actually what will guide you for long term. Do you get that? Now sometimes kita, ang atong hinagiban, ang atong mga tools for long term lang. Muna nagka-burn out because we are not equipped for how you go through life and challenges every single day. Are we here? So kinsa gusto maka-learn about energy states? I can only tell about some buttons from your brain, but I will particularly focus right now sa kaninga training on one particular, training your body for energy states. You get that? Now, ang complete na program, which is going to be the next program, kung napa mo, mag-advance pa mo, mabot mo 3-star and all, you will learn that as well. But for now, we will look at one area to switch your brain state or energy state, and that is your body, physiology, how you use your body. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Alright, so here we go. Okay, so dapat, physiology, dapat kabalo kita mo gamit sa itong lawas. Are we here? Yes. Okay, so for example right now, atakan naman example, okay? Everybody look at me, stop writing. You can write later on, but look at me right now. I want you right now to sit up straight. Did you notice when you sit up straight na nag-surge ang inyong energy?
Yeah.
Did you notice? As simple as that. Now you go back, slouch again. When you're slouching, your energy dropped again. Yes or yes?
Yes.
Try to sit up straight again. Did you see that? Did you see the difference? Now when you straighten up your backbone, eventually, nagsaka ang iyong energy. Few millimeters of difference, right? Few millimeters of changing the way you use your body, your energy will start to surge. Yes or yes? Yes. Okay, everybody right now, I want you to stand up on your feet. Everybody, come on, stand up on your feet. Okay, as you stand up on your feet right now, okay, I want you to square your shoulders and stand upright. Everybody stand upright. Attention! Now, man, nga naman, how do you feel about that? Do you feel better?
Yes.
Kinsa sa inyo nga nag-attention pero katulugon gyapon mo? Nawala ang katugon? Di ba? Pag-attention ka, tama ba? Now, that's very, very important. That's why in military training, the very first thing, kung sa mga pinakaunang dinatudlo sa military, how to take the proper stance. Kaya nga naman, in fact, pag nai-order, attention usa. Yes? Pag nai-isulti ang commander kung usa ka-challenging ang ilang atuan, attention usa. Kaya nga naman, because it is a button to certain thoughts and emotions. How you use your body is a button to certain thoughts and emotions. When you're standing up like that, everybody square your shoulders, attention! When you're standing up like that, it actually increases your testosterone level, right? Now everybody, for women, I want you right now to do a Wonder Woman pose. Wonder Woman pose? Babae, Wonder Woman. Okay, Wonder Woman. Do you feel more confident with Wonder Woman? Yes. There's a study at Harvard University, by simply doing a Wonder Woman pose, ang imong cortisol drops by 40%. Cortisol is your stress hormone. It drops by 40% and it increases your adrenaline. Adrenaline in the brain is good. Alright? Are we here? Yes. So kung nag-down na ka or whatever, just do Wonder Woman pose. Everybody Wonder Woman pose. Okay, ang lalaki, just stand up straight. You get that Superman pose. Okay? Babae Wonder Woman pose. Are we getting that?
Yes.
Alright, everybody slouch. Kung babae ka, Wonder Woman. Kung lalaki, attention stance. 1, 2, 3, go! Did you see the difference? Yes. Did your energy change?
Yes.
See that? So naagyo na sa tindog pod. Hello? That's why manonood din mga successful ng mga tao, karang yung mga boss sa una, nasa nila lahi nga baro. So tugunin mo na. Get that? Mo bitaw na mga babae, question sa inyo. Pag mag-heels, bitaw mo, do you feel more beautiful and confident pag nag-heels?
Yes.
Kung mga ka-heels? Nga naman. Kaya kung nag-heels ka, mapugos mga mag-ingana. Kaya kita dahil ka nag-heels, yung nag-ingana ka ako. Huwag mo yung ka-heels na nag-ingana. Pag mag-heels ka, may ngani mag-yug ka. Tama ba? Yes or yes? Yes. Subot pa sabot, mo increase ang iyong adrenaline, right? And you're ready to fight. You're ready to engage. Mono sa'yo mga lalaki, pag ang babae nagka-heels, kung yung gwapo kay barong, pati lalaki, ma-intimidate. Tama ba? Mga lalaki, amino na to, pag may babae nga muhagi, tapos kung kayo ka lang sigurado kay Zeko Garingon, may ka-intimidate. Yes or yes? Yes. Paano yung kauwi? Murag, wow. Ha? Basta gwapa lang, no? Mas hindi ko. Ayaw, hindi na natin na-discriminate sa nila. Lahit na lang nga-angel. Ingin mo katapad, ingin mo mga babae na katapad, gwapa tang tanan. Ang babae, ingin mo mga na gwapa ka. Alright, so klaro? Nag-search mong energy by just doing that. Tama ba? Now let's use our facial expressions. Everybody right now, I want you while standing up, I want you to smile. Smile! Come on, give your best smile. Come on, pakita ang mga hipon ay pagkatlo. While you're smiling, kanang genuine na smile. While you're smiling, ako i-prove sa inyo, habang smile ka, hunaw-unahin mong problema. Now, can you think of your problems while standing up straight and smiling like this? Hindi. Why? Because what you do with your body is a bottom to certain thoughts and emotions. Hello? Wala kung permanente mo maunaw puros na lang problema, puros na lang utang, maski unsa na lang diya. It is because you're doing something about your body that makes you generate the thinking. Hello? Sige ko, sabat this thinking. Everybody, like that, and then smile. Nanay mo utang. Computer, ilag din siya. Di ba di mo dagan ni mo utok? Di mo dagan ni mo utok of negative. Because how you use, sometimes they're saying, train your mind, train your emotions. But the truth is, it's very difficult to train the mind and the emotion, but you can control the mind and the emotion by using your body.
Oh.
That's how we're created. You get that? Yes. Kabi yung discipline lang yun. Matun-an may tanan. Parang dagat sa mga una, dagat sa mga emotions, are ones that will release higher performance. Hello, di rin na siya magsugod ang tanan. Lipay, baka nakabalo ka ni?
Yes.
Everybody, okay, ibako gamay yung lawas, and then i-cross yung shoulder like this, niya pagmugot. Niya habang gamugot ka karon, una-una ka successful kay ka. Can you think of success that way? You can never think of success that way. In other words, na-gateway ang iyong brain. Na-gateway ang iyong thoughts as well as your emotions. Hello? Okay? So, kung madaon gani ka, parog utarong, smile o balik. Diba? Are we here? Now, kita na kag mga taong successful. Tama? Everybody, okay, stand like a winner. Feel like a winner right now. Smile a little bit. Alright? Feel powerful. Alright. So now let's add a little movement. Okay? Now, whether unsa pa na imong educational background, or unsa pa na imong culture in life, or unsa pa na imong age, universal ang gamit nato sa atong lawas to demonstrate certain states of emotions. Yes or yes? Yes. Pag depressed ang tao, pag mulakaw siya, paspas or bagal? Bagal. Pag depressed ang tao, bagal? Ang iyang tinindugan, unsa man, upright or dili? Pag loud siya? Yes or yes? Yes. Tama. Right? Hinagi kay mulakaw. Ang iyang paggamit sa iyang hands, kung saman, pag depressed ang tao, kita na ka-depressed kayo na tao mong anak ito yung istorya? Ha? Wala po. Right? Medyo i-keep niya gamay. Tama ba? Naka-close siya mga gestures. Pero pag ang tao nga kanang happy, confident na state, happy, confident, and then na kind of feeling of generosity that you're willing to give to others, give value to others, you're ready. Unsa man sila? Successful ng mga tao, unsa man sila pag mulakaw? Unsa sila mulakaw? Mulakaw, tama? Upright mulakaw, sigurado kayo mulakaw. Tama ba? Yes or yes? Yes. How about ilang gesture? Nagko, gagmay.
Dagko.
Nagko ang ilang gesture. So, praktiso na ito na karon. I want you to move around right now. Right? I want you to move around right now. Kuya, gamiton lang nimo. Just feel successful. Because I want you to do that every day. Now, let me merge that with something else. It's called light therapy. Para to get your brains going. Are we here? Importante kayo ni. It's a practice of most people in Olympics. From the time you wake up, within 90 minutes from the time you wake up, you're supposed to get enough light therapy from the sun. Are we here? Ayaw na yung appreciate mo cellphone, gawas, expose yourself, because your retina will absorb that light from the sun. You get this? Get that? So ang imong buhaton when you're doing that, isa ka na po mo, i-prime up din mo yung kagalingon in the morning. So what do? You walk while you're doing that, feel beautiful, feel handsome, feel certain, feel successful. Are we here? Yes. Are we here? Yes. Okay, so let's say you wake up in the morning right now, and then I want you to move around, feel that the day is beautiful, you're going to be successful that day, and I want you to move around. On a count of 3. Are you ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Move around. Success or overwhelming your thoughts in a moment so that di mo ma-remember yung ngalan. Ma-remember mo ang tanan except sa yung ngalan ang pinaka-importante nga part. It's called dull state. Alright? Katesting, do you remember a time in your life na nag-study ka ng gabi una? Sure na yun kayo kasi ng istorya? Pagawas ng exam ka? Unya, kabalog ka tubag pero di mo masuwat ang tubag. Kaya nakalimot ka. Katesting ka? It's called dull state. Alright? Derailed ka na at the time towards releasing the right cocktails in your brain. Now, do you remember also a time in your life na ka na nakikistorya ng mga tao? Unya, kimotivate mo, naghatag ang advice, unya, grabe kayo mong flow, mga kunaw na ka na, murag dili man ni ako, murag ikaw mismo gusto nimo i-record or take note ng imong ipanunti kay grabe ka wisdom. Do you remember? Yes. It's called a peak state. So, kanang peak state, pwede nato na siya ma-switch on. Hello? So, ang gusto ito sa inyo karon is to switch on your peak states. Are we getting it? Yes. But it is as simple as using your body, using your tonality, using your voice, using your body. Okay? So, praktiso na ito karon. Okay? Face your partners right now. If you are the distributor, one more time, raise your hand. Okay? So, paminaw kung ikaw ang distributor, Kung ano yung instruction. Ibaligyan mo ang portier, right?